This video is going to explain how to make an appointment in AdvisorTrac. First, you log into your My NACC portal and click on the AdvisorTrac tile, which should take you here to your dashboard. Notice if you're unsure who your advisor is, you can click the Edit Bio button. You will have to scroll down. Here's the Edit Bio button. That will open a pop-up window and it will list your advisor's name. There are also instructions here on how to make the advising appointment and how to make an appointment for orientation or to take the Accuplacer test. You will need to meet with your advisor each semester before you register. Notice you can also make tutoring appointments here, but let's focus on the advising appointment. First, you click and you'll get a drop down, even though you may not see it on this video, that gives you the option of career planning, faculty advising, or student services. You use student services for the orientation or Accuplacer, career planning if you want to meet with the career or transfer advisors in the Career Planning Center, but most of the time you will choose faculty advising to meet with your advisor. Then you click this choose a service/reason drop down and choose advising/registration. If you're going to be registering for classes, there are other options you may choose as well, such as career planning. And then you simply scroll through the list of advisors until you see your advisor's name. Once you have that information input, you simply press search. This is telling me today. I can slowly add additional days and times. But if I know a specific day that I'm looking for, I can click this calendar, which again will open a drop down you may not be able to see. Pick a specific date and pull that date up. And then I simply pick the time that's best for me, which will open the appointment window. I can choose whether I want to come on campus and meet in person or whether I want to meet online. I also have the option of putting in notes if there are any notes here that I would like to leave for the advisor, and then I click the confirm button. I hold for a second. It will, as soon as you confirm, send an email to your student email and to your advisor telling you that you have an appointment. Then when you go back to your dashboard, here on the appointment listing, now I made it for next week, there it is. There's the appointment. Notice it says click here to join your online session. You can't actually click there and join the session until about 10 minutes before the session is supposed to start and for about 10 minutes after the session is supposed to start. So if you choose online and you come in 20 minutes late and try to get in, the link will no longer be available. Okay, that happens sometimes. If between now and the 20th, I realize that I can't actually do this appointment, I simply come here to the dashboard and I click the X. It will say, do you really want to cancel the appointment? What happened? And I'm going to say, oh, my work schedule changed. Cancel that appointment. And magically, it will disappear from the list. Somebody else can make that appointment now. And you will get another email saying it has been canceled, as well as your advisor will get the same email telling them it has been canceled. You do the same thing to search for tutoring appointments. And again, if you need the orientation or Accuplacer, very, very similar process.